here. Oh, it's gone off. Hi, it's Kelly here. So today I'm gonna show you how to set inverter fridge temperature. So before that, first of all, you have to notice the brand. This is a higher brand. First of all, you have to notice the brand, and because it's in Thailand, you're supposed to have this label here. This is a efficient rating label, and it's written in Thai, but it's number 5. And then here in English is EGET, which is Electric Generating Authority of Thailand. And here you have Minister of Energy, and this one does the meaning of efficient rate label. And here in English is refrigerator, and they show how much you can use per year. So we are using baht in Thailand. You can spending 941 baht per year, so it's around 78-79 per month, which is cheap. And this is a unit that you're gonna use per year. It's around 237.67. So depend if they're gonna change the rate of the unit, maybe you can spend more or less. And there again is a brand, is higher. Serial number is HRF BM255MI, and this one is amount of liters, which is 260 liters, but this is a cubic feet, which is 9.2, and they give you the website here. All right, so now let me show you how you can set. First of all, we switch on already, and we are still using it. As you can see, nothing display, but if you touch setting, it will show you. So I put smart function because it's gonna control automatically in all compartments. So it has 3 compartments. Okay, so below, the higher, and the middle. Okay, so first of all, if you want to remove the smart, you can click. If it's been 2, 3, you deactivate it. So you have to wait until it brings 3 times. Okay, now we're gonna start from beginning. So before continue anything, it cannot show anything here that can operate automatically. So now you can operate manually. So this option gives you to change manually in 3 compartments. Okay, let's say now at the middle, we can put any temperature you want, and you can activate here. That's all. Okay, and then we change again another compartment. Maybe it's 18, we want maybe negative 19, and then down is negative 19. Okay, let's say the upper compartment, maybe I want 5 Celsius. I activate it. So this is how you can set manually. Okay, now we are going for the option here of function option. So for example, we want Q cooling. You click like that before it reach 3 blinks. If you want to remove it, 2, 3, you remove it. So this is how you activate and deactivate it. Okay, let's say now we want another one. Quick freezing, which is quick FRS. Okay. Okay, now we activate quick freezing. So if you want quick freezing, you can get the quick freezing from the 3 compartment. Let's see. You can change, so it operates manually now with a quick freezing, which you use also to set manually. But once you put smart, everything operates automatically. So now we didn't put option of smart, we still continue manually, but we change option quick freezing, quick cooling. Now let's go for another one. 2, 3, we remove quick freezing. Let's go for another one. Smart. Let's go to soft freezing. Don't put automatical first. Okay, now before it blink 3 times, you have to click setting to activate it. So now we have option of soft freezing. Also we operate manually. You can change the compartment, you can increase, you can decrease, whatever you want. Okay, so all the compartments are gonna get quick freezing and the temperature that you are setting already. Okay, now so if you want smart and you can deactivate soft freezing, you go for smart. Okay, let's deactivate it. 2, 3, check. We deactivate. So now we put in smart. So now everything is smart. It's gonna operate. You see it's changing now from 20 negative 20 to 18, which is automatically. If you change the compartment, you will see it give the upper one 4 Celsius, middle -7, and lower -18. That is a smart mode, which is operate automatically. Okay guys, so that's how you can setting. So the first thing you have to remember how to deactivate and activate. If you want to activate, you have to click setting. That is the final button before it click 3 times. But if it's click 3 times and you click setting, you deactivate it. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe if this video is helpful. See you to the next one.